Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Buildkite agent on a VPS for scalable builds. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your VPS via SSH. Ensure your system package manager is up to date by running sudo apt-get update. Next, install the required dependencies with sudo apt-get install y curl-git. Now, download the Buildkite agent by executing the following command: curl https://github.com/buildkite/agent/releases/latest/download/buildkite-agent-linux-amd640 Buildkite agent. Make the downloaded agent executable with chmod +x Buildkite agent. Move the agent to the appropriate directory using sudo mv buildkite agent/usr/local/bin/. Create a new directory for the Buildkite agent configuration by running sudo dir p/etc/buildkite agent. Now, create the configuration file with sudo nano/etc/buildkite agent/buildkite agent.cfg. In the configuration file, set your Buildkite agent token. You can do this by adding the line token equals your agent token. You'll also want to specify the build directory. Add build path =/builds to the configuration. Save and exit the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and enter. Next, you need to create a service file for the Buildkite agent. Use the command sudo nano/etc/systemd/system/buildkite-agent.service to open a new service file. In the service file, input the following lines: unit, description equals Buildkite agent after equals network.target, service, user equals root exec start equals /usr/local/bin/Buildkite agent start restart equals always, install, wanted by equals multi-user.target. Save and exit the service file. Now, you need to enable the Buildkite agent service with sudo systemcll enable Buildkite agent. Start the Buildkite agent service by executing sudo systemcll start Buildkite agent. To verify that the agent is running, check its status with sudo systemcll status Buildkite agent. Your Buildkite agent is now installed and running on your VPS, ready to handle scalable builds. You can monitor logs by executing sudo journal-clu Buildkite agent f. Congratulations on setting up your Buildkite agent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.